Okay, so this is for illustrative purposes to create a animated video. So this is our Amazon delivery door. It is not in its final print, but these are the mechanics. We have a circle here, which is where our lock set's going to go. It is a Bluetooth lock that you can register with your Amazon account and produce an RFID for your Amazon deliveries. The door opens and hinges just like this. You can see that it sits inside the frame. Please excuse my cat. And this is designed to go into a garage door panel. So this is a garage door. This has been taken off of the hinges, cut down. So what would happen is you would receive your template for your unit. You would let us know what door you have. And basically this square panel right here gets cut out. So our template has been traced on. We have a pilot hole here. We're going to cut out that square. So made a pilot hole, and we have now cut out the size of this particular door. We've now moved this flat. So here's the door. We've now placed our door into the template. We have an overhang where a weather seal will apply to the back side. But as you can see, it sits nice and flush. So again, setting up the door. So in theory, if we were on the outside, we'd be able to lift this up. And here and here are fastener brackets. These, what you do is you undo the tightening rod. You place it right there where the slot lines up with the hole, and you twist in your screw. Now while you're doing this, you keep it nice and tight so it stays flush. Down. Tighten, tighten, tighten. And it holds the door in place. Now if we were to flip around, we're going to flip around and kind of show how that looks on the back side. So as you can see here on the back side, the little bracket has been attached, tightened in. So we'll do the other side just to show it from this angle. From the outside, you would take the bracket, bolt hole, line up, push. Line up the hole. This one is printed plastic, so it's a little stripped, but as you can see, just a flat little bracket that holds the door in place, and the screw stripped because it's a prototype. So then from the front again, your access panel is now here. These are the locks. They are a smart lock with Bluetooth. You would come, unlock, access panel to the garage would open. Your delivery can go into the garage, close, latch.